Hello lovely people, welcome to limitlesshomechef.ca. This is a special brunch. Today I am going to make a Bloody Mary cocktail. This is for any time. You can drink for brunch, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Before jumping making for this recipe, we have got lime vodka, fresh lime, tomato juice, celery salt and salt, classic Worcestershire sauce and Tabasco, and of course we need a ground black pepper, horseradish. For garnish we need celery stalk, pickles and green olives. Let's start. I am combine all ingredients in pitcher. First, tomato juice, lime vodka, sea salt, horseradish, celery salt, squeeze lime juice, Tabasco, Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, combine and stir to mix. Take taste. Oh yeah, delicious. Refrigerator at least 1 hour up to 3 days to get more flavor. That's now ready. That's it. Our Bloody Mary is ready. 1 hour rest in the fridge, and now it's time to serve it. I made homemade celery salt for top of the glass. First I put our cocktail in the glass, garnish with cucumber pickle, celery stalk, green olives, and my favorite lime. Cheers! You will find Bloody Mary recipe in down below. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.